of English, SNS College of Technology. Today we are gathered here to have a case study discussion on how the social media and the communication and with the development of face-to-face interactions are being utilized or is being understood, or how it is being carried out by the students or to the one-on-one persons in this present scenario. So we will have a discussion within the students, so you can share your points here with your knowledge what you have gathered for the case study.
Hello everyone. So with the rapid growth of technology, students widely use digital platforms such as messaging apps, social media and online classes for communication. Digital media makes our communication fast and convenient. However, many students prefer online interaction rather than direct conversation. This shift in communication made a noticeable change in students' communication habit.
Hi everyone, I'm Anupriya. So over-dependency on digital media can reduce the real-time speaking challenges. Students may feel nervous while speaking in public or participating in a group discussion. Although digital communication improves the texting and writing skills, it limits the real-time speaking practice. So this leads to the lack of confidence and weak interpersonal skills and communication gap. From a result, we conclude that teamwork and academic performance may be affected. Thank you.
Guys, this is Chandni and I'm here to speak about digital communication versus real-time communication. Even though digital communications offer better sociality skills, better improvement personality and etc. and stuff, real-life communication, that is one-on-one communications, offers better real-life communication which is helpful in every aspect. As you guys know, nowadays everyone uses digital communications, which is like basically a social media or like Instagram or WhatsApp and whatsoever. We use digital communications to talk with people. As a result, we must balance both digital communication as well as real-time communications. Thank you.
So as we discuss certain points here, I can connect with a real case study which I experienced during the COVID times. So what you people are telling or discussing is the right thing. That is, we teachers had so many situational issues what we faced during COVID times. It was not easy for us to connect with the students because you people were under the screens, and I think that you were not even having schools those days. I'm telling about how I was as a teacher, how I face so many problems that even we didn't know that whether the student is present or not. And all the funniest activities were done there. Even we were created as a meme items or something, like we gave contents over there. So the thing is, as I had happened to analyze the students development or whatever it is, I can see the students from school during that as we say here, like face to face, or how the social media or the digital media has been brought to the education purpose. I literally confess here, like it was factual that the students who studied in school days those time, they lagged for 1 or 1.5 years. Their complete academics was in loss. And many students forget to write. Their writing skills was being deleted from their format, and their speaking skills also has been changed. The method of education also has been changed. Some people used to say like, okay fine, anyways I'm going to get passed. And we people, as I'm working in a college, during those times my students were like, they were very happy, they were very lethargic, and I don't know who comes inside and who goes out in the online platforms or the digital platforms. But even that time also was a very toughest time for during the exams. So what is happening here is, when the digital media is being used a lot for the educational purpose or any other thing, our growth is being bitter denied. So here, individual personalities also has been developed, should be developed, because when we are having an interaction one-on-one, it is different. See, I am seeing your face expression, your eye contacts, the way how you handle things, how you are responding, how you are answering, that is different. But if it is in online, you might be lethargic. You will say like, okay, fine, why should I show my face? even this situation will carry out even for when you go for a professional person, whereas you will handle those situations very properly. So the thing is how you are taking the things, how you are giving importance to the things. So here with this case study, what I prefer to tell is, or my perspective is like, the face-to-face interaction is more appearing and more defender than the digital, because it can develop your skills in an active way, and it will tell how to improvise your personality with one-on-one person. Whereas when it is not you can make it in words, letters and all, so that is very different, whereas face to face is being considered to be the bestest. Okay, so thank you all for discussing this case study and bringing your virtual points, valuable points here. So thank you all, thank you.